morning, guys.
Good morning, hi. Good morning. Dito na, princess.
Where are you now?
Hi guys!
Where are you now?
Good morning.
We're going in a fountain park, but humans are busy.
See you guys. We're going to the park.
Ato na ako.
We're going to the park na. Okay, come on.
Kasi, ano pa yan?
Okay, let's go. Here.
Princess!
Ano mo na lang? Huwag naman na. Huwag mabilis lang.
Slowly lang.
Dahan lang.
Park! What are you looking for when I'm going there? Now, fun!
Okay, tamas. Kira mo tatagawa yan. Ayaw. Ano, parinig yung boses, sir? Ang ganda, mag-boses ka ng plastic.
And the higher the here.
Dito ka.
Stand up, come on. Come on, follow me. And one step that way. It's really dangerous. We're going here or here. Where's the map? Please come here. And then it's there, the people's park is right there.
Right there.
Follow me, guys. Follow me. Going in the park, we're going in the park.
She's excited, guys.
I'm really excited to go.
Hi.
O, sa gilid ka lang dumaan na. Heart natin na mag-Valentine's mo lang siya.
Oo. Oo. Oo, Valentine's. Oo nga.
Maganda ang jeep. Kaya dumaan pala dito.
Oo. Oh, hindi kasi nandoon yung ano nila eh, terminal. Ano rin ito, Princess?
Yogurt, Kalaw, Mayoni,
Foods.
Iga,
Oh, that is a new bakery. Okay, okay. Oo.
Filipino breads. Filipino breads are tasty. But don't eat them a lot because
I don't get that. I don't get
smelly. It's smelly, but the Jollibee's not.
Fried chicken.
Did you see the Jollibee is holding up? Oh my God. Yes.
Wow.
Magkano kaya? Hindi lang tayo.
Ayun.
Bili.
Ayun. Oh.
Magkano po sa price
Wait,
niya?
Ang dalawang 20 o yan. Ano ka yan? Wala pa lang mag-prepare ka nga.
Come here, love. It's hot there. Here. Oh, shumai. We go there na. Dali. Huh? It's hot. Come on, let's see.
Yes.
Bakit magkaroon
Go.
Meron nga.
There na.
Sa public garden. Wait, what's my hand?
Hello, wala ng turtle. Where's the turtle? Ah, the turtle's not there. Wait, have a look here. Ah, here, the turtle. Hello.
Mr. Turtle!
Yeah, and the big fish.
Tiki Turtle! Hi! Tiki Turtle! Tiki Turtle! The papaya! Patay sa papaya! No, the turtles are alive! They want to eat!
Yes, oh.
Hi!
Look, what you see there? What you see there? Look.
I see a turtle!
Marami kasi. Oy, no. Don't give the foods. Come on, here.
Princess may own. Yung pagkain na sana, hay.
Okay, kasi!
Ay. Sige, maano tatantuhan kayo. Gusto ko, ayaw mo masyal yung mga bata. Dapat hindi kasi, ang tagal nga natulog ko gabi, nagalit sa papa nila. Magpangpaluin nga sila. Ang tagal nga ilan natulog.
Okay.
Sabi yung papa niya. Huwag na lang kayo pumunta bukas. Ang tagal nga natulog.
Here, the
Ay, wala na
bird.
dyan yung bird.
Nandyan, uy.
Wanga na lang.
Saan yung bird?
Nandyan.
Wanga lang eh.
Ayun, oh, nag-iisang bird.
Are you sure?
Wala, oh. Ayun, the rabbit. Ano, walang peacock. Come here. Asas. Nawala eh.
Nawala na rin yung ano.
Oh. Tara, let's go. Here.
Yahoo! Playground!
Oh, careful. Cassie, come here.
Let's go inside!
Ah, ayan na siya. Ayan na. Ayan na si Ate Princess. Excited kayo, guys. Oh. The seesaw. Wow, the fish. And the turtle.
Ay, dito marami.
Mm.
Doon parang dumumi yung tubig, no?
Oo, nara, oh, turtle, oh.
Andun sila, oh, namas gilid po yun, oh.
Oo, oo nga.
Yung ganda dito kasi may...
Ayan, the big fish, oh. Hello, the big fish. Look, hala, hala, reaction ni Bibi, oh. Ni Bibi, as, oh. Hala.
No, umurong ka din.
Close? Oh, maybe it's not allowed to play there. Go to other...
Baka sira yan. Diyan ka na lang, oh, sa sito.
No, don't look in tilapia. Tilapia fish. Oh.
Punpad, ate! Yes! Yes!
Dito, oh.
Di doon daw sila, oh.
Saan?
Ma, kasi pa.
Ay, mainit dun.
Dito dyan, be, dito na.
Dito muna. Mainit dyan. Ay, ang ano ni mo. Di, magsiso kayo.
Dito kasi, oh.
Mamaya na dun.
Dito pa.
Ayan, ayan. Oh, di ba? Ang galing.
Baka. Ate, ate, ganda.
Slowly, ate.
I wish I'm going in the slide. It's so boring.
Guys, oh.
Mama, I'm gonna use sour powder with
Oh.
onion.
Ate, huwag mo naman ganyan.
Ate. Slowly.
We take off.
Oh,
Let's
she's
go
scared,
find the other
guys.
playground.
Ayusin natin. Kain mo.
Mama, nagkakain tayo ng kachu.
Oh, big fish. Dito tayo, sis. Princess. Sis. Come here. Look, it's big, oh. Very big. Long turtle. Ate!
Dito tayo.
Come here na. Sakay. Sakay na. Oh, you're big, ha? Come here, kasi. Oh, Ate Princess, oh. Naglaro, nagkain. Ay!
Hi guys, I'm eating a friend. You want some?
You want some. Aha.
Asan yung hindi nabubulok dyan? Hindi yung nabubulok.
Kasi, you ride na. You ride na, kasi. You ride. You ride, kasi. You ride. Dali, you ride na. Wow, ang cute naman ng as-as, ah. Ang cute mo na, ah. Uy! Uy! Full your mouth, ha? Uy, full your mouth, ha? Ang cute.
Ang maganda ng video ko.
Hi,
guys.
Sige, let's go. Here. Here. Oh, nice, oh.
Wow!
Oops, careful. Oh.
Wow!
Ay, nawala yung isa. Sige ka, maano yung paa mo? Ay.
Stop! Tayo, mabilis!
Oh, ang bata, oh, ang galing, oh. Sit there. Oh. It's hot. Dito ka na, princess, hindi ka marunong eh. Ayan, oh, ang galing ni baby, oh. Oh, diba, ang galing.
Alice, higa na akong tubig.
Ate,
water.
Ay, ang galing ni ate, ah.
Ito ko na ni ate.
Oy. Dali. Hot.
Batayin mo ito kasi. Kung gusto mong tubig ha. Dito lang si ate.
Binitan, oy. Binitan.
Buting dito, daming puno eh.
Kaya nga. Dito, kay walang ini.
Tita, dito ka nagsakay kanina?
Oo, dyan ako.
Oh, kalami tayo?
Galing ni ate,
Ikaw ako. Oh, hindi ka din marunong. Mabilis, kaya mo. Oh, di ba?
This is for today, guys. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next video, guys.